working all night for you. Nah, I'm working all night. I'm working all night. I'm working all night for you. Nah, I'm working all night. I'm working all night.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Michael out here with another video, and a little bit unplanned of a video. So, the original plan was, the original plan today was to put a radiator clutch fan onto the Jeep, because it's never had one in all the time that I've owned it. It's always ran a little hot. It's never overheated because it does have an electric fan that cools it down once it gets to a certain temperature, but it allows it to get pretty hot before it turns on, and of course it's not what you want. My mic was a little crooked there. Anyway, I ordered the fan and the clutch. Well, actually, I should be more specific. My dad actually ordered it and just said I could pay him back because I was still waiting on a paycheck. The clutch is right. The fan is not right. Fan will not fit, so I can't do the install. I do have a set of 4 light pods and 2 wiring harnesses that I still need to hook up on the Jeep. Don't know when that'll happen. Basically, fog light delete, putting the pods on the fog lights, and I might put 2 pods up on the roof rack. I haven't quite decided yet. But I don't really want to pull the Jeep in right now because it snowed and it is covered. I mean, that Jeep is soaked. And the last thing I really want to do is be crawling underneath it and tearing out lights and everything's wet. So I'm going to stick in the garage because I have a project that I've been meaning to do for months now and I haven't got done. One, the Chevy needs tow mirrors. The work truck needs tow mirrors. And I have some old school GM tow mirrors. Here, I can show you which ones I'm talking about. And don't mind my GoPro batteries are sitting on them, but if any of y'all recognize these types of tow mirrors here, those are the tow mirrors going onto the work truck. But since it's also outside and also soaking wet, and I might do it tonight, I might just pull it in and say screw it, but I got some tow mirrors for the Duramax. Oh yeah. So these extend right here and they go way far out. I'm gonna keep this plastic on until I'm done installing them. It's got, I think this is a running light. These are the new style ones. I don't know what this light does, but it's got like an orange, like I can move this. It's got that orange blinker. They seem pretty self-explanatory. I figured this is for the power mirrors, like how to, you know, change the angle of them. And then this plug, it came with this wire here that has that same end on it, as you can see. And I think that is for the lights. I think that wires into the lights. I don't know if I'll get those up and working today, but I do want to get the mirrors on, and I want to get the power functions working. As far as the lights working, we'll see if that happens tonight. I did have some plans later. I was going to go shoot some hoops with a friend that I haven't seen in a while. I may or may not still do that. I don't know. It depends on how long this takes. If I have any more time left today, though, I'll definitely get those lights hooked up because those are going to be dope. But, yeah, these have been sitting. So, what's funny, those mirrors have been sitting in the garage for probably about almost a year. And they actually came off. My dad had a buddy that he used to hunt with all the time. His name's Dave. And those came off of his Duramax. Dave sold it and bought like a new 6.7 Power Stroke. I think that's a downgrade, but whatever. But he bought a 6.7 nonetheless, and those don't fit on a 6.7, obviously, because it's a different brand. So he gave them to my dad for this truck. And then my dad said, I kind of like the newer style more. So he went out and bought these and said, put these on my truck and put those on the work truck. And I was like, okay. Now, I will just throw it out here. And sorry, I'm kind of drawing out this intro a little bit, but I just kind of want to explain some things because I don't know how much of the install video I'm going to get. These are chrome. And I know what you're going to say, okay, because I know how people work these days, okay? I'm a car guy in this day and age. I get it. People are going to say, oh, chrome is so dumb. That's such an old man thing. Like, listen, in my opinion, okay, one, my dad likes chrome, okay? And you can call him old man, whatever you want. But here's why I defend him. I think chrome looks good on certain vehicles, okay? Like, check out my mom's car over here. Now, I'm not going to try and change your mind on chrome all in one video, but, I mean, this car is black, but the chrome looks nice, okay? Because it's really dark black. And then it's like the chrome rims, the chrome all in the bumper, you know, the chrome, you know, with the turbo and all that, and then the trim, like, it looks nice, okay? And then on this truck, it's already silver, so it's already a light silver color. You know, we got the chrome rims, and then the stock mirrors, which, by the way, these are going to look so much different with tow mirrors. They have chrome. And so does the front. They have chrome too. And then, of course, the new headlights I just put in for him not too long ago. I have a video up on the channel. They're pretty bright too. So, you know, it makes no sense to buy black tow mirrors. You know what I mean? It just doesn't make sense. The chrome's going to look better, in my opinion. I also realized that I took out the wrong mirror, so I'm going to have to open the other box and install that one first, because I got to do the driver's side, then I got to flip the truck around and do the other side. But nonetheless, I think it'll make for a good video. So anyway, guys, I guess I'll get started on this and see what I got to do, see what tools I'm going to need, and yeah, we'll go from there. So yeah. Alright, guys, so we're back out here. I got my twin because she had to hold the mirror, or the old mirror, while I took it off, and then hold the new mirror while I put the one on. Basically, it's 3 bolts, just 10 millimeter. They come right out, slide right in. The wiring is a little bit off, because on the originals, it comes right through the middle, easy peasy, clips in. These ones, it's a little bit off to the side, and so you kind of have to jam it in here a little bit, but they do fit. After a little bit of finagling, they do fit, and they're pretty snug in there. So let me show you what these look like. We just took the plastic off. Do those not look sick or what? They're sitting a little funky right now. But you can... That's how they're supposed to sit right there, actually. Boy. Oh, those look sweet. Anyway, we're gonna... well, I might work on getting them wired into the lights, but for now... I think we're going to start working on the other one. Get that one done, so... Yee. Alright, guys, so we're back, and I'm just going to apologize now because I got a little carried away. So, you see that? Tow mirror. But y'all already seen that one. Wait for this. Tow mirror. They're on both sides. But I haven't taken it out the garage yet. Well, I took some pictures. I took it out and took some pictures. I forgot to get the camera out because, by the way, this hood is not up because it's getting fixed. The hood is up because I'm admiring the thing that makes all Miata guys they're freaking drooling right now. Every car guy that ever dreams of swapping their engine is just like, they're getting stiff in the pants right now, okay? Like, they can't contain themselves anymore. That's a 6-liter LS, just for the people that want to know. But... we're going to put tow mirrors on this beast, on the worky truck, on the ERS beast. It's going to get some old school GM tow mirrors and get rid of these. I was just admiring that. Also, I was trying to figure out why my horn doesn't want to work. The horn's kind of, it's coming and going. Like, it'll run sometimes, and then, you know, sometimes I go to honk it and nothing will happen. So I'm trying to figure that out. Think everything's good under here? Bada boom, bada bing. Anyway. Yeah. So we're going to get some tow mirrors on this, and then we're going to go get some shots in the back pasture of them. And they'll probably have to go to a car wash afterward. But, as you know, they look good. The Jeep probably ain't going to have much done to it. I might get some lights done. Today I might go LED swap it. Today I haven't decided yet, though. I still got to get these wired up. So I don't know. They'll get wired up by tonight. I'll be staying up late tonight doing stuff, so that these blinkers can work. I gotta run the lights down and splice them into here, but I gotta go get some splices for that, and it'll be sick. But we're gonna get these tow mirrors here, and then I'll have to do the same thing for this truck, so I might just leave them parked in here. I'll take the Jeep to the auto parts store. It's cold enough outside. As long as it ain't summer, I feel alright driving my Jeep everywhere. Not like I didn't just drive it for like a whole summer with no fan, but I don't know. Anyway, guys, so yeah, sick. I'll get to it and then show you guys when we get some stuff done. So, yee. Alright, guys, random update. Got the one mirror ready to come off. It's sort of like the Duramax 3 10mm bolts, but this wiring harness goes way down in the door and comes up basically right in here. So you do have to take this door panel off. Basically all you got to do is take out the lock switch. There's a 7mm bolt behind that. There's a 7mm bolt down here in the actual handle you got to take out. And then you just got to take out this door handle bezel. You don't actually have to take out the door handle. It pops right off. Pretty self-explanatory, but anyway, I'm going to get these mirrors put on and show you guys what they look like afterwards. So, yee. What's up, guys? I'm back out here in the garage, and we have a finished product. I was going to take these outside, but it's kind of windy and nasty. So I'm just going to kind of show you guys what went on. So, obviously, you guys have seen the Duramax looking nice. I will say one downside, when I'm sitting in the front seat, I can't see out of the passenger mirror. If you're scooted farther back, you can see better. At the end of the day, that's what matters, because my dad's the one that's going to be driving it. But for me, personally, it just doesn't work very well. But let's talk about these on the work truck, because this is the truck I'm going to drive. Now, the Duramaxes still need to be wired as far as having blinkers and running lights. But these, and I got like 5 pairs of keys in my pocket. Let me find keys. Put them in there. Oh. These do have turn signals built in. If I turn on the hazards, they both go. So, anyway, guys, as you can see, that's pretty sick. Sorry. Had to take the door panel off of this one to get these put in, but super sick. Obviously, sadly, I'm not going to be able to get like a video of them side by side. It's just really windy and nasty. The audio would suck. And I will tomorrow, though, for sure, because I do want to get some good shots of these two side by side, because these are really awesome looking with these. And I really want to get some side by side. I might be doing an LED swap on the Jeep here in not too long, but haven't quite decided yet. So we're gonna see. I got to tear apart the dash cluster and a few other things, because my dash cluster that I switched to LEDs not too long ago, the connections are bad and it keeps flickering and it's arcing. So I haven't been driving it all day because of that. It just started arcing. I think one of them came, like a bunch of them came loose or something. And anyway, so that's where we're at right now. I'm gonna see if my buddy Rhett can come over here, help me out with that. He's pretty good with wiring, so I might see if he can help me run those right there, and see if he can help me out on the Jeep. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This was just supposed to be a Duramax install, but ended up being the good old LS. I mean, do we call it an LS? I don't know what we call it. I just call this the work truck. This is the work truck. I don't know. I mean, Duramax, we call it by the engine name, but this is a gasser, so LS, I guess. I don't know, but anyway, yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Got a little bit of extra content today. Pretty decent sized video for sure. And yeah, we'll have some Jeep stuff out here. Hopefully pretty shortly. I got some LED pods. I got some lights. And I might have some other lights I might be putting up. So anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow my social medias down below in the description. And until next time, guys, this is your boy Michael signing out. Peace.